You talked about Nnamdi Kanu as an Igbo man. What do you have to say about his situation? Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu.
So I personally don't like talking about Nnamdi Kanu again. Not because of fear, but because of disappointment. So Nnamdi Kanu disappointed Ndi Igbo, and I will tell you why Nnamdi Kanu disappointed Ndi Igbo. The only person that had achieved the level of social fame Nnamdi Kanu got on a platter of gold, the last person and the first and the only person who got it fought with his life to get it, which is Odumegwu Ojukwu. He fought with his life. He dodged bombs. He did so much to get this love Nnamdi Kanu got on a platter of gold. I was expecting Nnamdi Kanu to leverage his fame at his peak to give a redirection to Ndi Igbo. I am one of those people that have seen Nnamdi Kanu one-on-one. I met him one-on-one in London. And at the time when his tone became too violent, I was one of those people that started sending him email and messages and say, you have to change the direction of this your message. You are beginning to get to your peak where your message should be, okay, let's start developing Ali Igbo. I sent him an email. I can show you the email. I was telling him, I said, your message now should be as this time. Remember that time that people will bow down for him, that time that he will not cover himself and behave like the real Elohim. That peak time, I was among those that expected him to evolve and pivot. What was I expecting him to do? You had Ndi Igbo on this chokehold that they are ready to do anything you say. So what I was expecting him to do is to say, okay, good, let's calm down. Let's put 5 things we need to do internally. Number 1, this present crop of Igbo leaders are selfish, are egoistic, are this and this and it. Highlight all what they are doing wrong. People will listen to you. Tell them we are going to change them.
Don't vote for them.
Don't vote for them. We are going to change them. Bring people that are as hungry for change like yourself. Put all those people in those positions internally first, so then